My name is Bernice Baker-Krammer, and I started into fitness and good health when I was actually around a little over 40 years old. So up until that time, my diet and my lifestyle was probably not real good. I started going to a fitness class over here at Gladstone. And this lady that led the class, I kept thinking, I'm about the same age as she is. How come I don't have energy and she does? So I got to know her pretty well, and wow, she turned my life around as far as health and nutrition. I was working for the Department of Revenue. I did get promoted and worked for the commissioner, and at that time they were setting up a statewide program for health and wellness, and they asked me if I would be the health educator, wellness coordinator for the department, and I thought, wow, yes. That's what I like, you know. It was so interesting because the lady that was leading those classes, she said to me, why don't you do this? And I thought, wow, you know. Well, then I did go through certification, and then that's when I applied and started teaching there. The Ageless Active and Fit class has been going on for 31 years, and when I was reminded about that, I thought to myself, wow, that is a long time, really. I just absolutely love the people who come, and I just love working with people that are willing to try to improve their health. To me, it's just a perfect fit, because I know how much I appreciated getting my health turned around. Over the years, I just genuinely care about each and every one that come. I really want them to get the benefits that they can get, you know, because life can be so much fun when you feel good. It keeps me very disciplined myself. It's one thing when you go to a class, you can slough off a little bit, but when you have to lead a class, you better be who you represent. Being involved with District 622, I have been treated so kindly, and everybody is so nice that I work with. And the other part is I just absolutely love people, and I love being there to help. I want to help as many people as I can to find good health and just enjoy life. You know, sometimes when you teach a class like this, instructors sometimes end up being kind of like a counselor to the people who come, and that's an honor. It really is, to just be able to hear people's stories. I just love that. Keeping active and being able to do this has just been such a blessing to me. I think that the reward should go to the people who come, because they're the ones that make it successful. You know, without them, there wouldn't be a class. So I'm very appreciative, and I'm excited about it, but I just think there's so many other people that should have it. There was an article in the Minneapolis paper, maybe about a year ago, about a woman that is still teaching fitness classes, who's 82. and I read that and I thought, oh wow, I guess I'm not the only one. That's kind of unusual. So and that was interesting. Her goal was to just help people too, and to feel good, and I thought that's where I'm at.